10 super healthy smoothie recipes. Since smoothies are full of fresh fruits, vegetables and protein, the options are endless. We mix it up with lots of variety so the smoothies don't get boring, and they are great for those on a smoothie diet too. Lose weight and take back control of your overall health. 1. Watermelon Wonder. Transform a summer fruit favorite into a delightful healthy smoothie. Just remember to buy seedless watermelon or remove the seeds before you blend. Ingredients: 2 cup chopped watermelon, 1/4 cup fat-free milk and 2 cup ice. Combine the watermelon and milk and blend for 15 seconds or until smooth. Add the ice and blend 20 seconds longer or to your desired consistency. Add more ice if needed and blend for 10 seconds. 2. Banana Ginger Smoothie. Soothe digestion, heartburn, nausea and other stomach trouble with the fresh ginger in this natural remedies smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 banana sliced, 6 ounce vanilla yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, half teaspoon freshly grated ginger. Add banana, yogurt, honey and ginger. Blend until it becomes smooth. 3. Soy Good Smoothie. Skipping breakfast can leave you starving mid-morning and reaching for tempting junk food. Instead, sip this on the go soy smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup calcium-fortified vanilla soy milk, half cup frozen blueberries, half cup cornflakes cereal, 1 frozen banana sliced. Combine the milk, blueberries, cereal and banana in a blender for 20 seconds. Scrape down the sides and blend for an additional 15 seconds. 4. Slim Down Smoothie. Wonderfully thick and tasty, this healthy smoothie recipe easily substitutes for milkshakes and ice cream. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen berries such as blueberries, raspberries or strawberries, half cup low-fat yogurt, half cup orange juice. Place the berries, yogurt and orange juice in a blender. Blend for 30 seconds or until smooth. 5. Tutti Frutti Smoothie. A splash of orange juice infuses summer citrus into this healthy and refreshing snack. Ingredients: half cup loose pack mixed frozen berries or strawberries, half cup canned crushed pineapple in juice, half cup plain yogurt, half cup sliced ripe banana, half cup orange juice. Combine the berries, pineapple with juice, yogurt, banana and orange juice in a food processor fitted with the metal blade in a blender or in a large measuring cup with an immersion blender. Process for about 2 to 3 minutes or until becomes smooth. 6. Berry Vanilla Sensation. Fat-free vanilla yogurt sweetens this tangy fruit healthy smoothie recipe. Ingredients: half cup frozen unsweetened raspberries, half cup frozen unsweetened strawberries, 3/4 cup pineapple juice, 1 cup fat-free vanilla yogurt. Combine the raspberries, strawberries and pineapple juice. Add the yogurt. Blend until smooth. 7. Sunrise Smoothie. Blend apricot and peach together and your smoothie will look like an early morning sunrise. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup apricot nectar chilled, 1 cup low-fat peach yogurt, 1 tablespoon frozen lemonade concentrate and half cup club soda chilled. Combine the banana, apricot nectar, yogurt and lemonade concentrate in a juice maker or any blender. Process for few seconds or until it becomes smooth and creamy. Finally, stir in the club soda and serve immediately. 8. Berry Good Workout Smoothie. Get the energy you need to power through your workout in minutes with this easy-to-make smoothie recipe. For an extra dose of calcium, try adding a teaspoon of organic kale powder. Ingredients: 1.5 cup chopped strawberries, 1 cup blueberries, half cup raspberries, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, half cup ice cubes. Blend all ingredients and consume immediately. 9. Tropical Papaya Perfection. Thick like a milkshake, this coconut-infused smoothie recipe transports you to a tropical island. Ingredients: 1 cup papaya chunks, 1 cup fat-free plain yogurt, half cup fresh pineapple chunks, half cup crushed ice, 1 teaspoon coconut extract and 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed. Combine the papaya, yogurt, pineapple, ice, coconut extract and flaxseed. Process for about 30 seconds or until it becomes smooth and frosty. 10. Strawberry Kiwi Smoothie. Stay full and fight disease. This high-fiber smoothie recipe becomes even healthier when you use organic kiwis, which contain higher levels of heart-healthy polyphenols and vitamin C. Ingredients: 1 cup cold apple juice, 1 ripe banana sliced, 1 kiwi fruit sliced, 5 frozen strawberries, 1 tablespoon of honey. Combine the juice, banana, kiwi fruit, strawberries and honey in a blender. Blend until it becomes smooth. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.